I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to buy cryptocurrency with Binance using an easy method. First, you'll need to set up your Binance account. This involves registering with an email or phone number and completing identity verification, also known as KYC. This step is crucial for accessing all features and ensuring security. Don't forget to enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of protection for your new account. Once your account is ready, the next step is to fund your Binance wallet. You have several convenient options for this. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars or euros, directly using a bank transfer, a credit card, or a debit card. Another way is to transfer existing cryptocurrency from an external wallet. Always confirm that your chosen currency is supported for direct purchases on the platform. Now for the exciting part, making your first cryptocurrency purchase. Head over to the Buy Crypto section, which is usually prominent on the Binance homepage. Here, you'll choose the specific cryptocurrency you want to acquire, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and specify the amount you wish to invest. Carefully review all the transaction details, including the price and fees, before confirming your purchase. It's that simple. Congratulations, you've successfully purchased cryptocurrency. You can now view your new assets in your Binance Spot wallet. It's a good idea to set up price alerts for your chosen cryptocurrencies so you can stay informed about market movements. Binance also offers various ways to grow your holdings, such as staking or earning interest, which you might want to explore as you become more familiar with the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.